Okay, so let's take a look at the US pre-market movers and some chart levels.
Okay, well, first of all then, Rambus, technology company RMBS, $11.44, up around 7.4% pre-market, and the stock has rallied on confirmation of its inclusion in the S&P Small Cap 600 Index. Just to put that move into context, the 52-week high for the stock is $15.49, so still perhaps some upside to be found there.
Yeah.
And then a stock that's attracted loads and loads of press coverage this week is Nike, ticker NKE in the US, $124.87, up 8.78%, and it posted an earnings beat and talked about substantial future order growth across most markets after the close last night. And actually the new orders were very impressive indeed, lots of double-digit gains there, so they've obviously got their act together.
Chart points.
Yeah, okay, cash levels as ever. So in the FTSE, we remain below, on the downside anyway, the 6,000 level, so 59.60 is our downside level, plays 61.30 to the upside. Apologies for the exceedingly wide range, but that's how the chart has left us. It can be slightly tighter in the DAX with 95.85 our downside level, plays 90.700. Obviously, there's a bit of a recovery ongoing there after the sharp sell-off earlier in the week. As far as the US markets are concerned, mixed price action, I'd say, yesterday, though there is the suggestion of a hammer forming in both the S&P and the Dow charts. So 1915 on the downside in the S&P, plays 1935 to the upside, and for the Dow we look at 16,105, plays 16,230 to the upside. Currency wise, the dollar seems to regain some composure, so against the euro now we're back to 111.20 on the downside, plays 111.90, yes indeed, on the upside. And then in Aussie dollar, US dollar, we're straddling that 70 handle again, so 69.90 on the downside, plays 70.35 to the upside. Dollar yen is trying, well, the yen is trying to weaken. 120.66 plays 121.16 at the moment on the upside. And then in cable, the recent rally has evaporated again, so 151.96 plays at 152.50 on the upside. But I think in all those cases, it's more about the dollar reasserting itself than anything to do with the local currency.
Understood.